Hey everyone, this is Erich Hunter here, and I want to tell you about the call I have tomorrow, the Q&A call for my Pendulum Healing Mentoring Circle. So you may have heard about this. I'm going to be offering a program called the Mentoring Circle, and it's a chance for you to work one-on-one with me and to also be a part of an amazing group of people who are dedicated pendulum healers. And we're going to work together to really take our pendulum healing skills to the next level. So you'll learn how to organize your thinking around your practice. You'll learn new techniques for pendulum healing. You will gain amazing insights into your own personal issues and gain new tools and protocols and skills to help you heal those issues. You will receive healing from group members, from me, and by yourself around anything you want to work on. And there's going to be so many exciting things that come out of this. It's going to be great. The synergistic effect of amazing people all working together under the tutelage of a master at this. So if you're one of those people who wants to just get under the hood, start learning directly from the teacher right away, then this program is for you. If you're the kind of person who wants to get a lot of support, or if you're the kind of person who wants to become part of a mini community for 3 months, the program lasts for 3 months. We're going to have our own Facebook group and everything. So we're going to create our own little mini tribe. And if you want to be a part of a tribe of people who are really rocking their pendulum healing and you're taking it to the next level, then this program is for you. So I have a description of the program on my website, but I'm also going to be holding a live Q&A call tomorrow to kind of give you a feel for the program and some more, and answer any questions you may have about the program. So if you have any interest in this program at all, I highly recommend that you attend the live question and answer call tomorrow. So let me pull up the information for that to show you here. So basically what's going to happen is that we are going to be meeting tomorrow morning on Zoom at 10 o'clock a.m. Pacific Standard Time, USA. And if you so the way you register is you go on my website, and I'll put a link below to this registration page. And you're going to register like you would one of my Rizuku courses, but it's totally free, the registration. You just hit register now. And then when you do that, I will get your email address, and then I will send everyone who's registered a link to the Zoom link for tomorrow so that you can attend the live meeting. If you want to do this and you don't know how to use Zoom, it's extremely easy to use. Just email me or Facebook message me and I'll explain how to use it. But basically you just click a link once you've registered and I send you the link to the Zoom. You just click the link to the Zoom, you click okay, then you make sure you have a camera on your computer and you have a microphone of some sort on the computer so there's sound, and boom, you get it. So yeah, if you're thinking about this program at all, just come on the call, hop on the call, be there, a part of it. Even if you're not sure if you can do it, but you're still interested, just come on the call. There's no pressure. I only want people doing this who really feel like they're 100% in alignment with this idea. A total full-bodied yes. I don't want you to do this if you feel any pressure, or you're on the fence, whatever. Because I know this is going to be a great experience for everyone involved, and I'm super excited about it. And for certain people, this is going to be the right thing right now. And if that's you, then I want you on this call because, only but I want you to be there so that you can at least hear what it's about and give it a chance. Okay, so with that said, I'm looking forward to this opportunity so much. I have a great assistant, Robin Shade, who's an amazing pendulum healer, has brilliant insights into the process, and she is going to be assisting me as one of the mentors. And we're going to be doing this together, so it's going to be really awesome. And there's so much exciting stuff that's like brewing around this that I just can't wait to share it with y'all. So please register for the live call tomorrow, or if you're ready, just sign up for the program too. If you're already ready to jump in, we've already had 4 people sign up. Very, very exciting, and it's going to be fun having them here with us. So, and I'm looking forward to having you with me as well, and with us as well. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye. See you tomorrow.